Hi guys! Welcome back to Buona's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share to you a delicacy from my hometown, the Sayongsong. Sayongsong is a popular Surigao kakanin. It is made of rice, glutinous rice, coconut milk, and brown sugar. It is packed in a cone-like banana leaves and is a favorite pasalubong, dessert, or snack. It is a delicious Surigaonon delicacy and pride. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! We will need 1 cup of glutinous rice, half cup of roasted peanuts, 1 cup of rice, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 cup of brown sugar, and half teaspoon of ube extract. Optional. In a bowl, add in the rice and the glutinous rice and soak it with water and set it aside for about 20 minutes. While waiting, we will shape our banana leaves into cone. By the way, don't forget to pass this over fire to make it pliable. Put it in the cone mold and cut the excess banana leaves. Repeat the procedure with the remaining banana leaves. After 20 minutes, drain the rice and pour it into a food processor, or you can also use blender. Pour the coconut milk. Then, add in the roasted peanuts and grind them until it becomes smooth. And once it's smooth, pour it in a bowl and add in the brown sugar. Then, add the ube extract. Mix them together until well combined. Now, pour the mixture onto the cone mold about 3/4 full. And steam this for about 30 to 45 minutes or until it is cooked. Look at that! Looks so beautiful! Once it's cooked, remove it from the steamer and let it completely cool before removing them from the cone mold. And here's our finished product! Sayongsong is soft and delicious and perfect pair for hot coffee or hot chocolate. If you're Surigaonon like me and haven't been home for a long time and been craving for this, I hope you'll give this a try. Please don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye!